All right, so shout out to Nyanata. So everybody give it up for Nyanata. All right, so thanks a lot, Nyanata, for sending in your name for today's Igbo name of the day. I'm not sure if that's actually your name. It's not on Instagram, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna call you Nyanata. So that's probably the reason why you wanted this name featured, because it might be your name, middle name, or something like that. So, all right, you guys ready to translate that name together? Nyanata. All right, good. So, Nyanata, ne means mother, right? And anata, I'm not really sure if we can break that down further than that. Yeah. So anata just means to come back or to return. You know what I'm saying? Basically like to come back home. You know what I'm saying? So nata means the mother has returned, or the spirit of the mother has returned to the family. It's almost kind of like reincarnation. You get what I'm saying? So a lot of times the belief is that if, let's say there's a woman, right? And she has a mother. Unfortunately, her mother passes away before she's able to have her child, before she's able to have a child, right? The belief is that the mother who had passed away is reincarnated in that child. You get what I'm saying? So it's like the mother is still living. It's kind of like a comforting way of, you know, just kind of feeling like your grandmother, basically, your mother or the child's grandmother is still with the family. Like she never left. You get what I'm saying? Nyanata. She's still with the family. The mother has returned. The spirit of the mother has come back to the family. And you know, in a way, when you think about it, genetically or biologically, you know, from grandmother all the way down to grandchild, we share the same features, the same traits. So we're kind of we're the same blood, you know, they're all the same blood, made of the same things, right? So in a way, it's obviously true when you think about it from that perspective. So that's kind of like the spiritual, cultural, and almost kind of philosophical meaning of that word. It was where we understood the relationship between families and spirituality. Nyanata. Nyanata's names give them the power to take all the positive personality traits from their mothers or grandmothers who passed away, right? Complete any unfinished business that those individuals had in this life, right? Any unfinished business that they weren't able to complete, and they're very outspoken. Tag and share this video with all the Nyanatas that you know. Thanks. Diba Kwen?
Yeah.
America Kwen?
Yeah.
Indoji Nilo Nono Wakwe Zone?
Yeah.
So, Nyanata, cool concept for that name, right? Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comment section down below. Did I get the translation right? Do you have an alternate translation or like an alternate interpretation of that name? Feel free to let me know. If you are looking for an Igbo name or a baby name for a child, if you like an African name, a name from the ancestors, my Instagram is linked in the description below. So feel free to hit me up on Instagram. Let me know the concept for the name that you have in mind, and I'll give you the closest matching Igbo name to that name. If you would like a name for yourself, also feel free to let me know. You can hit me up on my DM and send me a private message, and then you just answer a few questions about your personality, and I can give you a matching Igbo name, and I can give you that name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway series. If you are Igbo, I can give you a name on this playlist, on this series, called the Igbo Name of the Day. All right, so if you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching it, tap it really lightly instead. All right, so please subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit that bell button to get a notification. Anytime I post a new video, it could be the video that I make for you next, right? So if you want an Igbo name, basically, I can give you one based off of personality traits, either for yourself or for your child. In our culture, we believe that the power and the essence of that name and that strength from God is invoked anytime someone says your name, right? So if there's anything you'd like to manifest into your life or into the life of a child who's gonna give that baby name to, let me know. Like I said, hit me up in the comment section or my Instagram DM, and I can give you a name based off of that. And we believe that anytime someone's saying that name, right, they're speaking the blessings of that name into your life. So you just walk in constant blessing. Imagine anytime someone says your name, calls your name in school or work, you pick up the phone and they say your name or something like that, they're calling that blessing. And we believe that that's what helps us succeed as a people. That's what helps us thrive as a people. So every like, comment, and share goes a really long way, and it helps the YouTube algorithm learn who to send these videos to, who to show these videos to, so that they can click on it and watch it too, right? So the more you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, the more the YouTube algorithm learns. So please do that, because it'll help me out and it'll also help the YouTube algorithm out, and I appreciate you guys doing that. So I look forward to hearing what you guys have to say. Thanks a lot for supporting this YouTube channel that highlights Igbo Nigerian names. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.